Unlock the secrets of the market and elevate your investment game with insights that blend mind and method. In the ever-evolving world of finance, understanding the market requires more than just number crunching. Market Infatuation offers a comprehensive exploration of the psychological and fundamental principles that drive market dynamics. Investor psychology is a crucial aspect of investing. By delving into the mental and emotional factors that influence investor behavior, Market Infatuation helps you understand why we make the decisions we do. Behavioral finance sheds light on how psychological theories explain market anomalies. Identifying and mitigating cognitive biases is key to making smarter investment decisions. Learn about common biases and how to avoid them. Mastering emotional discipline is essential for making rational choices under pressure. Market Infatuation teaches you how to maintain composure and stick to your investment strategy, even when the market is unpredictable. Real-world examples and case studies illustrate the key concepts of Market Infatuation. These practical applications show how blending psychological insight with financial analysis can lead to better investment outcomes. Market Infatuation provides a holistic approach to investing, combining the art of understanding human behavior with the science of financial analysis. Whether you're a novice or an experienced investor, this book equips you with the tools to navigate the complex landscape of investing. Transform your approach to investing by understanding the intricate dance between mind and market. As John Maynard Keynes said, the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Stay ahead by mastering both the mind and the market.